Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete your Viki account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see that I'm already logged in and this is my particular home page. So to simply delete your account, all you have to do is tap on this Me option on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your on profile page. Then tap on this gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to various setting options. Just simply scroll down to the very end and just on this privacy section you can see an option of delete account. Tap on delete account. Now you have an option of simply visiting your viki.com/account settings site where you can simply delete your account. So tap on it. You can see that it's being loaded with various options for you. Then scroll down. Here you have an option of changing email, changing password, updating your birthday and having to some of the general settings. And just on the very bottom you can see an option of delete account. So tap on this delete account. Now if you're sure with deleting your account, you can keep any of the reasons why you want to delete it. Or simply tap goodbye in the box below to confirm that you want to delete it on a very capital letter. So I'm going to do it. And when you're done, tap on this delete my just below never mind. Delete my account, tap on it just below never mind. You can see that it's being processed. And yes, I am given an option of shining up again and you can see that your account has been deleted. So this is how you do it. This is how you delete your Viki account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.